What's happening, y'all? All right, today's thing is going to be about vamping and giving yourself time to improvise. Well, first of all, if you're trying to figure out what this is, good luck. This is a Low D, but it's a special one. It was made for me by a fella from Austria. And he says, I hope you write me back, and I didn't. I'm gonna write him now, though. Herman Tucsh made this harmonica. Herman Tucsh from Austria. It's very pretty. Tucsh and Bayer, customized. Tucsh and Bayer. He gave it to me in Germany, and it has these crazy cover plates. But anyway, we won't just use this one because you might not have a Low D. What I was just playing is. So that's from my video called Mississippi Vamp. Mississippi Vamp or Blues, Mississippi Blues Vamp. I can't remember. But it's linked below, okay? So it's just 2 draw, 2 blow, 1 draw, 2 blow. Right, and I like to put a little bend on the 2 on the way down. So let's just, for fun, go up to a high D. That's what it is. It sounds fun on the Low D though, right? The object of this is to get the vamp going and then stop it in a particular place and then improvise. The first thing you're going to do, or the first thing that I'm going to ask you to do is, or to try, is to just stop on beat 1. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. And then I want you to try to put in just some space. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now the next thing I want you to do is be really simple and just put in maybe one note, not even any vibrato or anything, just one note. And let's do the 3 draw for fun. Man, let me turn that fan. I'm back. One thing that drives me crazy is a ceiling fan going while I'm trying to play harmonica or even talk. I get really sensitive to that. Anyway, so a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 beats. First we learn to observe just the silence. And you know, we can think about it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Put a lick in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Try some little Walter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Or some Sonny Boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Major pentatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Minor pentatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Some arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. John Coltrane Giant Steps. Whatever, right? Whatever. Right? Just slide it in there. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Just like that, just something simple. You want to try a 4-draw. It's fun with these kind of things to play a lot of chords. So even when I'm not playing full chords, I can play little what they call dyads, or a term we stole from violin players, harmonica players stole from violin players, called double stops. So I just hit the 3-draw and I allow a little bleed through in, or I hit the 4-draw or the 5-draw or any note, and I just allow a little bit of the neighboring holes to sink in. So I just could kind of just chord it up a little bit. It's almost like it's, I haven't been drunk in 5 years, thank goodness. But it's almost like that. It's almost like just kind of intentionally relaxed and sloppy. So now I'm starting to put in like extra stuff, right? Like little licks and stuff. But you could try anything. Like I was saying before, you could use this as a way to play your scale exercises. So that was the minor pentatonic scale, and then the blues scale, the major pentatonic. Right. See, I'm having so much fun, okay? Anything you can come up with. Now, the next thing you want to do is try to extend the solo period. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we go back to the vamp. That's what we were doing. Now we're going to try to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, put a lick in here, put a lick in here, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we just extend it. Yeah, all right, very good, very good. Anyway, stay tuned for the credits. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica-related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica-related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors, in one way or another, also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs. You can get your name put on it, just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war Marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, the very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by two brothers who really care. Hohner Harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner Harmonica. I like the Marine band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. Met a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.